Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make a parametric roof. So for that, let's make a base first. Let's make a 30 meter by 30 meter of a base. We make a urban level parametric roof like a plaza kind of a thing. So let's get on it. So after that, what we do is we first make the roof grid by selecting the points and right till here we lift we lift the roof up by 15 meters. Then first we do is that we give some shape to the roof. So for shape, the plugin that we are using is the sandbox tool of SketchUp, from which you can make contours, you can make ramps, you can cut and fill models, and also parametric roof designs like this. So now we have a grid of 30 by 30. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So we have a grid of 3 by 3 which we can design the way we want. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go inside the group and then click on the smooth option. The what does the smooth option actually do is that it gives the upward and downward shape to our roof. So for that, what we'll do is we lift the roof upwards from this side, then we lift it a little downwards from this side, and same we do with this side, and some downward for